Hey, what's up, Codewavers? Welcome back to another exciting episode on the Codewave channel, where we explore the latest in technology and innovations. Today, we have something truly extraordinary in store that will blow your minds and unfold the future right before your eyes. Are you ready to embark on a journey of innovation and cutting-edge technology? Well, you're in for a treat because we are diving deep into the world of smartphones like you've never seen before. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, the game changer that's about to revolutionize the way we interact with our devices. Get ready to witness the most incredible foldable display ever created. With its breathtaking Infinity Flex display, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 seamlessly unfolds into a massive 7.2-inch tablet-like screen. It's like holding the future of smartphones in the palm of your hands. But wait, there's more. Samsung has taken durability to a whole new level with the ultra-thin glass technology integrated into the display. Say goodbye to those annoying scratches and accidental damages. This device is built to last, even with thousands of smooth and reliable folds. Now, let's talk about performance. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a powerhouse, driven by the latest Snapdragon processor and loaded with ample RAM and storage. Multitasking has never been this seamless. Switch between apps, play games, and stay productive with ease. Say cheese. The Galaxy Z Fold 5's camera system is here to capture every moment with perfection. From wide-angle shots to breathtaking telephoto images, this device ensures that your memories are preserved in stunning detail. The under-display front camera adds an elegant touch to the phone's design while delivering high-quality selfies. Get ready to embrace the future of connectivity with 5G support. Say goodbye to slow downloads and laggy video calls. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 keeps you seamlessly connected in a world of instant experiences. Samsung hasn't stopped at hardware innovation. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 comes with a set of powerful software features. Multi-active window functionality lets you run multiple apps at once, boosting productivity like never before. And the Flex mode, oh, it's a game changer. Experience hands-free video calls and more with ease. Beauty meets functionality with the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Its slim form factor, refined finish, and sophisticated color choices make this device a head-turner in every sense. It's not just a smartphone, it's a fashion statement. But don't just take my word for it. We asked real users to share their experiences with the Galaxy Z Fold 5, and the responses were mind-blowing. From students to professionals, everyone loves how this device seamlessly blends productivity and entertainment in one foldable package. And guess what? The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is not done surprising us. Samsung has hinted at upcoming software updates that will further enhance the device's capabilities. I can't wait to see what else this revolutionary smartphone has in store for us. So, folks, if you want to experience the future of smartphones, you know what to do. Hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the Codewave channel for more thrilling tech content. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is waiting for you. Unfold the future and step into a new era of smartphones. Until next time, this is Johnson from Codewave, signing off.